mellitus. The name was anciently known as Madhumeha. You know our first physician, Charak. Charak first he saw the patients while urinating, there are ants inside, just encircling the urine. Then he tested the urine, it was sweet. So, from the urine and the sweetness, he named that it is Madhumeha. Madhu means sugar, sweetness, and meha, it is from the urine. So, it was known as Madhumeha in Oriya, in other languages also. Afterwards, it was again rewritten as diabetes mellitus. So, this is the history behind. Let us see, on the day when the patient is diagnosed as diabetic mellitus, whether it is type 1 or type 2, so one should think that from that day the vessels, the blood vessels are suffering. So, suffering up to that extent that they will attack the arterioles at the end point of the arteries. So, it is very crucial in the point for the human being, and all the organs affected, especially the very vital organs like heart, brain, kidney, pancreas, and other things, other organs are also affected, like end of the limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs, like that. So, after that also we see even the gestation is not also exempted from this disease process. If the lady is affected from diabetes mellitus, then definitely we must think that there will be insufficiency of the placenta and the child may suffer after birth or during the delivery also, during the intrauterine life also. So, by this we can say that this will affect the gestation, pre-diabetic condition or gestational diabetes, even it is type 1 or type 2 diabetes. One must be very cautious to diagnose this. One important point also remember, all the pregnant women must be investigated for this diabetes, that is GTT, glucose tolerance test, whether they have taken any food or no food. They have to given 75 milligram of glucose. Then after fasting blood sugar must be drawn. Then after 2 hours we have to see the sugar level. If fasting sugar is more than 140, in postprandial sugar after 2 hours is more than 120, then diagnose the lady is going to be diabetes and she is diabetic person. Accordingly, the treatment will start from day onwards. Most of the ladies are suffering from this diabetes disease in our country because our country is an ethnic country. It inputs 8.7% of the diabetic cases to the world diabetic population. So, importantly, the women are more suffered because they went through the fasting and multiple number of rituals. So, they suffer from diabetes, and when they become pregnant, they also suffer. That is why it is a caution to our women group. They should be very, very caution for their lifestyle and other things. They must work hard, they must take food, they should not have lifestyle disorders. Most of the cases are now we see they are obese, younger generation they are also obese, and they have developed PCOD. So, in those cases they develop resistance, insulin resistance, and we also treat them accordingly. Although they have been treated when they become pregnant, so during that phase also we have to treat them if they are diagnosed as diabetic mellitus, and insulin is the drug of choice. Remember, metformin we are giving before pregnancy, but if the pregnancy is diagnosed, we should not give metformin for 20 weeks at least. She must be always moderated and monitored till she delivers. This is the only message I am giving to the public. Thank you all.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.